In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky navbar on WordPress. A sticky navbar is an essential feature for improving the navigation experience of your website. It remains fixed at the top of the page as the user scrolls, making it easier for visitors to access different sections of your site without having to scroll all the way back up. So, let's dive right in and make your site's navigation not just more efficient but also more user-friendly. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. It's crucial to have full access to your site's admin area, as this is where all of your customizations will take place. Once logged in, head over to the Appearance section located on the left-hand sidebar and click on Editor. Here, you'll be presented with a list of your theme's files. It's important to back up your files before making any changes just in case something doesn't go as planned. Having a backup ensures you can easily revert to the previous state without losing any data. Next, locate the header.php file, which houses the code for your navbar. By making changes here, you ensure that your navbar code becomes sticky across the entire site. When you open header.php, look for the section of code that corresponds to your navigation menu. If you're unfamiliar with code, don't worry often. Theme developers clearly label sections in the code with comments to guide you. Just look for something along the lines of header or navigation. Now, this is where we introduce a little piece of custom CSS to make your navbar stick. Open the style.css file from the editor. This file controls your site styling and layout. Scroll to the bottom and add the following lines of code: position, fixed top, 0 width, 100 and z-index, 1000. The position, fixed line ensures the navbar stays visible even when you scroll. Setting top, 0 places it at the topmost position, while width, 100 enables your navbar to extend all the way across the screen. The z-index is used to ensure that the navbar remains visible above other elements on your page. Once you've added this CSS, save your changes. It's essential to check how these adjustments have affected your site. So, go back to your site and refresh the page. Scroll down to see your new sticky navbar in action. If everything went well, your navbar should smoothly remain affixed to the top as you explore your page. This small change can make a big difference in how users interact with your site, ensuring they never lose access to navigation options. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sticky navbar on WordPress. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like this.